Today, let's dive into the best diet tips for those in their 30s. Yes, the Big 3.0 marks not just a new decade, but also the need for a little tweak in our eating habits to stay energetic and healthy. So, why is this age bracket special when it comes to diet? Well, those in their 30s, our metabolism begins to slow down, and they find that it's not as easy to shake off those extra pounds. Plus, many are juggling career highs and maybe even starting families. High energy is a must, and good nutrition is key. First up, focus on protein. Lean meats, beans, and legumes aren't just great for muscle repair, but they also keep you feeling full longer. This is crucial for keeping that midday slump at bay. Next, don't forget your calcium sources: dairy, fortified plant milk, or leafy greens. These help maintain bone strength, which starts to wane in our 30s. Now let's talk about antioxidants. Foods like berries, nuts, and green tea can help combat the stress and pollution we face in daily life, which is particularly vital as we age. Also, hydration. It's not technically a food, but drinking plenty of water supports every single bodily function, boosts skin health, and can even help manage weight. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Make it fun by infusing water with slices of fruits or herbs like mint for a refreshing twist. Lastly, don't skip on whole grains. Swapping out white bread or pasta for whole grain versions can have tremendous benefits for your energy levels and overall heart health. So there you have it, a simple guide to tweaking your diet in your 30s to stay at the top of your game. Remember, what you eat not only impacts your physical health, but your mental clarity and emotional well-being too. Here's to a healthier, energetic you. Cheers.